Andy Barnes, owner-director of Terra Firma Environmental Limited. So I've been with this company since 2001, so just about to do 25 years, first one through the door, and so now proud owner and director of Terra Firma. Terra Firma ourselves, we're environmental specialists, so we're up working in a lot of national parks, SSIs, areas of outstanding natural beauty, so we specialise in upland restoration, countryside management, quite a variety of environmental projects that are happening. It's a piece of work we've won and we're doing for Cumbria Wildlife Trust. It's a piece of peatland restoration work, so there's a multitude of different tasks that we've got to accomplish on this, but ultimately it's about improving and restoring the current habitat that we're up on here at the moment. Some of the features that we're building, we're using different types of bunding techniques. So we've got bunds which hold water that's catching on the surface flow. We've got bunds that are creating just wet holes and wet depressions. These are all in the aim for trying to raise the water table. If we raise the water table, we're doing a couple of things. We're improving the quality of the peat, keeping it humidified. It's also developing the growth of sphagnum mosses, which is a big thing at the moment within a lot of the environmental sectors. But also raising the water levels is also having an impact on natural flood management. So as robust as it looks, as though we're using big machines for carrying this restoration work, we've had to modify a lot of the machines to make it travel around sensitively and that we're not actually causing any unnecessary damage and ultimately improving on the situation that we've got up here. The big key issue is ground pressure. Attached with ground pressure is dealing with weight. So we've had a good relationship over the last 8 years with Tom at Dennis Barnfields, who we've had a couple of machines off in the past. And I've approached him earlier on this year, spring, about manufacturing and making another machine. One of the big things that I liked about the cases that we've gone for is the shape and the style of the undercarriage. It's where we found that case did very well compared to a few of the other market machines out there. What we went to is the perimeter of an 800mm pad, but he then went away and spoke with Case, and also he drew up some of his own ideas as well, what we can achieve with. And what we've ended up coming up with is a 6-ton excavator actually sat on a 7-ton chassis, and that gave us a lot of requirements that we wanted, and it also gave a robust chassis to take the additional weight of chains and pads. Tom, I can't fight, is absolutely faultless. I came across Tom 8 years ago when he produced the first 2 machines. We've got some 75s and he did some simple modifications with them and took it all on board and worked with it. But the after sales has been absolutely superb. Where we've had issues out on the fell top, simple ones, we can ring them up and say, we've got this issue, fault codes, and he can explain to us, talk us through how to fix them, because he realises it could take him a day to get his own fitter out and sort a simple problem. But then more serious notes, he's always there on hand to get out and come out and give us a hand at that. And he's always up for a bit of a challenge and work out. He has an understanding of what the habitats where we'll work, what our requirements are. And although some of the suggestions we come probably sound a little bit daft, putting QR couplers in various places on the machines that they wouldn't normally put them, but for us it's about keeping things clean, safe. We can't drop any oil or any fluids around here because we're on SSI, it's UU catchment land, so there's a lot of sensitivities about how we operate and work up here. So having that understanding, he knows how critical even little small details are to what we have and do up here. So yeah, it was a good person just to have on board, and he knows where we come from. Even if we have a crazy idea, he can say yes or no, it works, and more often than not we find a way around it. Cases themselves, I found they've been very good, certainly with the aftercare that we're getting currently at the moment, this development thing. And it's nice that they've actually taken on a special application when we're a small business, but they've actually listened to our desires and needs and accommodated us, which I think is very nice. It's all done in one shop, and we know that everything fits and works because they've all built it in the factory, and it's all case, and the warranties go along with it.
than having to go to a third party and then have to worry about will that work with that and whether it fits, and we're putting unnecessary strains or pressures on everything. We know it'll come out here and it'll do what it'll need to do, and there's the reassurance guarantee that it does the job.